It's Dr. Musial from Plant Docs, and tonight I'm going to show you the delicious recipe that we're going to make at our very first cooking class on January 28th, and it is Flavors of the Southwest. So this is the end result. We have a warmed corn tortilla, and we're going to add this amazing, bring it in, show a close-up of this delicious cauliflower, walnut, and lentil taco filling that we're gonna put on the taco. And then we made this queso that is amazing. And it's made from carrots and potatoes and lots of secret ingredients that we're gonna drizzle over the taco filling. And a very easy bean and corn cilantro and secret ingredient salsa. And my favorite, top it off with some mashed guacamole. And that is going to be amazing.